100 children to do. This year the Queen Quet. Look your children. We're glad for this year new decade and things like that. Yeah, y'all think say we sure be gone up there. No ma'am, no sir. We been want you to look at something episode to take from when we first bring this year on the air. But this year time, we did in one new decade and we got some new thing to Gwine on down here. Cause you know this the Gullah Geechee Nation Gwine on news. And this the head fund this year body of the Gullah Geechee Nation. Now I want to see all these your things behind me. You might wonder, say, well, great God, that day Panala. No, but me there in South SCAAHC, me there in Columbia, South SCAAHC, the capital of South Carolina, the place that we call the place with the beautiful places and the smiling faces. We're here for the South Carolina African American Heritage Commission's annual event with their banquet and their award ceremony. So we're going to give you a few highlights from the day because you know that's how we do them here. And this year, the what going on. How 100 children to do? 100 knows that this year the Queen Quet, head from the body of this year Gullah Geechee Nation. But great God, chiller, me there way up yonder, way from the coast, and look who me find y'all. Who was Sister Sallie Ann? Plenty of y'all children look on the face and study them now and say, and I know that face. You ought to know his face because they did from Daufuskie. And some of y'all probably done name from some of what the gal took down in the book, but teach y'all how to leave it or something, that raccoon and all that thing it got there in the book. So yeah, how you doing, Sister Sallie?
I'm blessed and thank you for having me come out and be a part of your interview today.
Oh, no problem. It's always good to see one of us
All the
elsewhere.
time.
You
Yes.
know what I mean?
All the time.
So yeah, so how have things been going? I know you have another new book out. How many books do you have out right now?
I have two. I just finished the third.
Okay.
Besides working on some other ones.
Excellent.
Yes.
And
Yes.
so are all your books cookbooks?
No.
Okay.
The third one I just finished is a dinner cookbook.
Okay.
And then the others that I have are children books.
Oh, excellent.
Yes.
So now what are the titles of your books?
Well, we have Gullah home cooking the Daufuskie way. And
That the
then
one
we
with that
have-
coon recipe.
There you
in it.
go.
And the chicken was he had to
Runaway
catch
chicken.
for now fun. Yeah, go ahead.
And then we have cooking the Gullah way morning, noon, and night.
Oh,
That's the one with 25 home remedies.
Home remedies in it,
Yes,
right.
that one is. And the third one I'm doing presently, I'm calling it Down Home Cooking.
all right.
And that one is cooked. It's dinners. It's complete dinners.
Okay.
Because I hear people say, "Oh, I like this and I like that," but I don't know what to do. So I decided to give them a course.
Give them
in
the
dinner.
whole course.
Yes, and
right.
they can verse it.
Excellent. So now when is this latest book coming out?
Presently, we don't have a date.
Okay.
We honestly don't have a date.
All
but
right. Well, you know we rather you tell
I
the truth.
know.
It's the devil gal.
Oh, no way, no
Don't
way.
start with the program.
No,
but
it's
that
true.
means that we're
Yes.
gonna have to have you back on the
Oh,
program
yes,
when
very
it's
much
out,
so.
so
Yes.
everybody can see it.
Yes.
But in the meantime, you can order her books. They are available online.
Yes, they
She's
are.
all over the place doing
Yes.
book signings. So if you hear about her,
Yes.
go and check her out.
Yes.
Now, one of the other things I know you worked on was when they redid what was originally called Conrad.
Yes.
And
yes.
then they redid it, Hallmark did
Yes.
it as The Water is
As the
Wide.
Water is Wide,
So
yeah.
what did you do for that film?
I was actually like a consultant
Okay.
to the movie, basically, because besides reading the book, they wanted somebody who was authentic and a
Right.
part of it.
Right.
So I went up there and I got to work with Alfred Witter and LaTanya Jackson
Yes.
and all the producers. It was amazing.
Excellent.
And I enjoyed it so much because I'm Ethel, and they just thought it was fabulous to have one of
Fabulous.
the actual person there.
There. And
to do
see,
the show.
now when you said I'm Ethel, see, I know that. And I know people who read The Water is Wide. And I said,
Yes.
Ethel, oh, let me look back at that
That's
character.
Ethel, yes.
But there was a book written many years ago by Pat Conroy
Yes.
called The Water is Wide, where he called it Yamacraw, but it was about the Daufuskie.
Yes.
So when Hunter Chiller and the Yeti said, Ethel did in the book, that is this the Ethel right here. This is
Yes.
Sallie. And
Yes.
she's a native of Daufuskie.
Born
so,
sixth generation.
Yes, and
Yes.
still keeping them going.
Oh, trust me, I'm presiding as a manager, but I am going back home because there is no place like home.
I know that's
And
right.
things are going on there that I stay involved in. I'm
Yeah.
here today with the Historic Foundation.
I was going to ask about that.
because they're getting a reward today for the Gene Hampton School.
Excellent.
I was a part of helping that
That
happen
happened.
as well.
Very good.
Yes, because like I said, I might be on another,
A
area.
little bit
but
across the river.
my bloodline and my strength and my
Right
energy
there
is
on the
all on that island.
I know that's
And
right.
I don't let them forget it.
I know that's right. And so look here, they said I've been the Daufuskie for time. So that's it. Get in the door for the
That's
Gullah
right.
Geechee culture. So we're so glad you were here today
Thank you.
and glad that you're still out there keeping it
Got
going
you.
on,
Got
gal.
you.
Yes.
Got to. And if you want to go to my website, you can go to SallieAnnRobinson.com.
Yeah.
And become a part of it.
That's right. Now, don't go to Ethel.com.
No.
That's SallieAnnRobinson.com. And check out the sister, order the books, try out the recipes, and then hit me with an email at GULLGEECO@AOL.com. Let me know how the recipe turned out, y'all.
Okay.
I know if you did sick now, I know it can take them off your coffee. So y'all better get them right.
Get 'em right.
And don't try to do that chicken. Don't run them down. Just go to the store and get one at the store. Don't do like she do. So now when you read her books, y'all will understand what I'm talking about.
Yes. And do remember Sallie with an IE.
Oh, that's right.
I want to make sure they get that.
That's right. SALLIE,
Yes.
not with the Y. All right. You know this, the Gullah Geechee Sallie. All right. Sallie Ann Robinson.
Yes.
Thank you so
Thank
much,
you.
my sister. So good to see you as always. Yeah, let me let you go because you might have to catch a chicken.
Did I give you a card?
Oh, sure. So everybody, as you always know, this year, the what Gwine on. Peace.